أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Okay, yeah, alhamdulillah. Thank you for being so informative, subhanAllah, on so many different diseases and issues that plague us as women. Alhamdulillah, it was very, very good, mashallah. So we are here to discuss COVID-19 vaccines and getting the facts. So inshallah, we move forward, Nahila, with the slide, inshallah. We ask for your continual patience, sisters, while we just maneuver through our IT. Thank you.
Yeah, it's gonna use your hospital. Yeah. Next time we're gonna use your hospital. Yeah. We get lost. Oh, why you gotta
Remember, sisters, that Allah is with as-sabirun. Alhamdulillah.
Now.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. Alhamdulillah.
We're back now.
Alhamdulillah.
Sorry about that.
Okay. So,
let me unmute myself.
okay, inshallah. So what you need to know before you decide to get or not to get the vaccine. What is COVID-19? Coronavirus disease 2019. This is an infectious disease caused by the novel coronavirus, the SARS-CoV-2. This particular disease appeared in the late 2019. It is predominantly a respiratory illness that can affect organs, other organs as well, other organs. People with COVID-19 have reported a wide range of symptoms, ranging from mild symptoms to severe illness. Symptoms may appear 2 to 14 days after exposure to the virus. The symptoms may include fever or chills, cough, shortness of breath, fatigue, muscle or body aches, headache, new loss of taste or smell, sore throat, congestion or runny nose, nausea or vomiting, and diarrhea. O believers, this is from Allah in the Holy Quran. O believers, if an unrighteous person comes to you with information, you should verify it, or else you might inflict harm on a people in ignorance and then end up regretting what you have done. So Surah Hujurat 49 verse 6. Now, before we move to the vaccine concerns, we're going to pause for a quick moment, inshallah, to pray Surah Maghrib.
Now, for those who are in the zone of Maghrib, you can go and pray, inshallah. And for all of us, we can continue, Sister Zara. Go ahead.
Inshallah. What is the Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine? The Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine is an unapproved vaccine that may prevent COVID-19. There is no FDA-approved vaccine to prevent COVID-19. The FDA has authorized the emergency use of the Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine to prevent COVID-19 in individuals 16 years of age and older under an Emergency Use Authorization, EUA. The Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine may not protect everyone.
Okay. Go ahead, Sister Zara. Again, today is very bad in here. Sorry about that. Go ahead, Sister.
Okay, it's the same slide. Okay. What is the Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine? The Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine is an unapproved vaccine that may prevent COVID-19. There is no FDA-approved vaccine to prevent this. The FDA has authorized the emergency use of the Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine to prevent COVID-19 in individuals 16 years of age and older under an emergency use authorization. The Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine may not protect everyone. What are the ingredients in the Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine? Is it halal? The Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine, which includes the following ingredients: mRNA, lipids, anzanidil, hexane 6,1 hexadecanoate, polyethylene glycol. I can't even read the names of some of these things. Cholesterol, potassium, chloride, monobasic potassium phosphate, sodium chloride, dibasic sodium phosphate. Has the Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine been used before? No. This vaccine is an unapproved vaccine. In clinical trials, approximately 20,000 individuals 16 years of age and older have received at least one dose of the Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine. What are the benefits of the Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine? Unknown. In an ongoing clinical trial, this COVID-19 vaccine has been shown to prevent COVID-19 following 2 doses given 3 weeks apart. The duration of protection against COVID-19 is currently unknown. What are the risks of the Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine? Side effects that have been reported with this vaccine include injection site pain, tiredness, headache, muscle pain, chills, joint pain, fever, injection site swelling, injection site redness, nausea, feeling unwell, swollen lymph nodes, which is lymphadenopathy. There is a remote chance that the Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine could cause a severe allergic reaction. A severe allergic reaction would usually occur within a few minutes to 1 hour after getting a dose of the Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine. Signs of a severe allergic reaction can include difficulty breathing, swelling of your face and throat, a fast heartbeat, a bad rash all over your body, dizziness, and weakness. These may not be all the possible side effects of the Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine. Serious and unexpected side effects may occur. Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine is still being studied in clinical trials. What should I do about side effects? If you experience a severe allergic reaction, call 911 or go to the nearest hospital. Call the vaccination provider or your healthcare provider if you have any side effects that bother you or do not go away. Report vaccine side effects to FDA/CDC, Vaccine Adverse Event Reporting System. The Vaccine Adverse Event Reporting System, or VAERS, have a toll-free number. That number is 1-800-8. That number is 1-800-822-7967. Is Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine mandated? No, not in the United States. It is your choice to receive or not to receive this COVID-19 vaccine. Are other choices available for preventing COVID-19 besides Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine? Yes, but can someone please mute their phone? Thank you. Currently, there is no approved alternative vaccine. Currently,
Emila, I'm sorry.
Currently, there is no approved alternative. There is no approved alternative vaccine available for prevention of COVID-19. FDA may allow the emergency use of other vaccines, such as Moderna, to prevent the COVID-19. Just 2 days ago, on December 18th, the United States Food and Drug Administration approved Moderna vaccine for emergency use as well. Will the Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine give me COVID-19? No. No, the Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine does not contain SARS-CoV-2 and cannot give you COVID-19. What is an Emergency Use Authorization, or EUA? The United States FDA has made the Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine available under an emergency access mechanism called an EUA. The EUA is supported by Secretary of Health and Human Services declaration that circumstances exist to justify the emergency use of drugs and biological products during the COVID-19 pandemic. FDA may issue an EUA, again, emergency use authorization, when certain criteria are met, which includes that there are no adequate, approved, available alternatives. In addition, the FDA decision is based on the totality of scientific evidence available, showing that the product may be effective to prevent COVID-19 during the COVID-19 pandemic, and that the known and potential benefits of the product outweigh the known and potential risks of the product. All of these criteria must be met to allow for the product to be used in the treatment of patients during the COVID-19 pandemic. How do we really know if COVID-19 vaccines are safe? Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine is 95% efficacy. Therefore, FDA has authorized it for EAU. The United States Vaccine Safety System ensures that all vaccines, including the recently FDA-authorized Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine, are as safe as possible. Safety is a top priority while federal partners work to make this and other COVID-19 vaccines available. The Countermeasures Injury Compensation Program, or CICP, is a federal program. COVID-19 vaccines were tested in large clinical trials to make sure they meet safety standards. Many people were recruited to participate in these trials to see how the vaccines offer protection to people of different ages, races, and ethnicities, as well as those with different medical conditions. Is the Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine on recommended list? COVID-19 vaccines are being tested in large clinical trials to assess their safety. However, it does take time and more people getting vaccinated before we learn about very rare or long-term side effects before it can be recommended to the list. That is why safety monitoring will continue. CDC has an independent group of experts that reviews all the safety data as it comes in and provides regular safety updates. If a safety issue is detected, immediate action will take place to determine if the issue is related to the COVID-19 vaccine and determine the best course of action. Inshallah. We recommend that you continue to take steps to care for yourself and help protect others in your home and community. Minimize the chance of exposure by promoting the use of everyday preventative actions. Some common practices can lower the risks of infection. Clean your hands, cover coughs and sneezes, and follow recommendations or local or state orders. Avoiding gatherings of people without masks. Wearing masks to reduce the spread of infection. Practicing social distancing. Pray and make a lot of du'as. And please review du'as from previous halakas. At this time, if any of my dear sisters have any questions, please direct all your technical questions to our dear sister Nahila. Inshallah. Thank you for that.